Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Majid YouTube channel. So today listen we will discuss about narrative text. Does anyone here know about narrative text? Okay, before that, do you like to read storybooks or maybe watch movies like movies from Disney or movies shown in theaters? Besides that, maybe you've heard storytelling. Well, all of that is an example of narrative text. So, stories in storybooks, stories in the movie, stories from storytelling are all types of narrative text. Yes, so narrative text is a type of text that chronologically presents an imaginative or modified true story in the past tense through a sequence of events, whose purpose is to entertain the reader or listener. So, often narrative text is not based on a true story. Remember that, my student. Now, after studying narrative text, I hope you can identify and explain the basic structure of a narrative text, including elements such as introduction, conflict, climax, and resolution. Analyze the characters in the story, including the main character and supporting characters. And you must understand how the plot develops and changes throughout the story. And finally, you can identify the main theme or message conveyed in the narrative text and think about how the theme is relevant to your daily life. Okay, it's enough about the description of narrative text. Now let's take a look at the structure of narrative text. Here is the generic structure of a narrative text. First, there is orientation. This section contains an introduction of characters, place, and time of events in a story. Then, after a long character introduction comes a conflict between characters with one another. This part we call complication, where problem begins to emerge and get to the heart of the matter. And the last part of generic structure of narrative text is the resolution. This is the resolution of the problem of a conflict that occurs in the narrative stories. Next, let's talk about the characteristic or language feature of narrative text. So, narrative text use past tense in telling the stories. Why? Because to retell events that have occurred in the past. Therefore, narrative text use past tense. Besides that, narrative text also use adverb of time, such as once upon a time, one day, a long time ago, and etc. Narrative text also use direct and indirect speech. What is direct speech? So, direct speech is when the exact words spoken by a person are quoted within the text, usually enclosed in the quotation mark. For example, is Mary said, "I am going to the park." Whether indirect speech is reporting what someone has said without using their exact words. For example, Mary said that she was going to the park. Okay, after learning about narrative text, here I have an example of narrative text and let's read aloud together. The title of narrative text here what I show to you is The Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, let's read aloud together. In a village deep inside a forest, there was a little girl called Red Riding Hood. She was known for wearing a bright red hooded cloak made by her grandma. Red Riding Hood's grandma lived on the other side of the forest. and she often visited her with a basket of treats. One day, Red Riding Hood's mother asked her to take a basket of food to her sick grandma. She warned her to stay on the path and not to talk to strangers. On her way through the forest, a tricky wolf saw her and decided to trick her by reaching Grandma's horse first. The wolf went ahead, tricked the grandma, and waited for Red Riding Hood. When Red Riding Hood arrived, she noticed the wolf disguised as her grandma and asked about her big eyes, ears, and teeth. The wolf couldn't keep up the egg and tried to eat her. Luckily, a woodman passing by heard her scream and saved the day by scaring away the wolf. Red Riding Hood and her grandma were safe, and they all learned to be careful of strangers in the forest. Okay, my student, after we read the narrative text before, now I have some sample questions related to the text. Please do it to test your understanding about today material, which is narrative text. That's all about narrative text, and see you in my next video. Bye.